Hey, welcome to DuanesWorld. It's me, Duane, the BoozinBlogger, coming at you for another episode of Cooking with DuanesWorld. That's right, today we're going to do a breakfast item. So we're drinking mimosas, just champagne and orange juice. Okay, so we're going to make egg McMuffins. Basically, that's what it is. You go to McDonald's, right? You buy bacon, egg, and cheese, or bacon, egg, whatever, McMuffin. First, you need an egg poacher, which, for the handy price of a few dollars, you can buy at, dollar store, Walmart, anywhere you want to buy one, but this is an integral part. So then, once you get the fucking thing working, right? Okay, so then you take a teaspoon, which is a little spoon, of water, put it in each of the egg whole things, in each of the egg things. Okay, so then we take an egg, 1 and 2. Okay, drop the egg yolk, egg and stuff in there. Now take a fork and puncture the egg yolk a few times. Don't break the yolk, just puncture it a few times, because this apparently helps it not explode in your microwave, which it's going to anyways, but I've got a trick for that. Okay, so this puppy is already going to the microwave. Okay, so what I do is I grab some paper towel, just a piece of paper towel, and I wrap it over top of this puppy so that when it goes in the microwave, it won't explode. So you put it in the microwave for 1 minute. That's it, 1 minute. While you're waiting for that, you get the rest of your stuff handy that you're going to need for this. Very, very few ingredients. You got English muffins, eggs, cheese slice, 1 cheese slice for 2, butter, and bacon. All right, so we wait for this to cook. Magic sound, it is all done now. So we go to our microwave, grab this. Now, I'm not eating this today. I'm actually making this for my wife, but I usually make this for like Charles when he comes over to visit. And now all we do is we take our eggs. We add 1 piece of bacon on each egg. 1 piece of bacon on each egg. And then we take a slice of cheese. And 1 cheese slice on each egg. Now we just put it on here like that. Just like that. So that's what she looks like. Then what we do is we close her up. And the heat from the eggs will melt the cheese. Usually you would make the bacon, if you're going to eat it right now, you would heat up the bacon just a little bit before you cooked it. But this is the way we're doing it today. Now you take your English muffins, cut these puppies. Drop them in the toaster. Toast them. All the while we're still waiting for this to, this is still cooking while it's melting the cheese. Okay, so since I'm making these to go, because my wife is going to put these in the fridge, then she's going to eat them for breakfast for the next 2 mornings. Oh, there's the magic sound. So I've got 2 pieces of wax paper. And I take my plastic tongs that I used to stick inside the thing. Why do we use plastic? Well, because electrocutions hurt. Okay, so we've got our cooked, our toasted English muffins, put them on here. Now, See? I hate this one. Now, see? All that is from sitting in there. It's all melted. So then you just take your fork, put it underneath, scoop her out, put her on the bottom. My wife likes ketchup on hers, so we're going to make it with ketchup. A little bit of ketchup. Okay. And that is it. So now we take our top, bottom, whatever the hell you want to call it. Put this in the middle. And wrap her up. There's breakfast for 2 mornings in a row. Very little dishes when it comes to this. I don't even use a plate if I'm serving, when I'm serving Charles or serving my friend's breakfast or whatever. I just put it on a piece of paper towel and hand it to him. That's it, folks. That's how you make bacon, egg, and cheese McMuffins at home. A hell of a lot cheaper than McDonald's. And they taste better, too. Anyway, take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. I'll be back on Friday with a blog next week again with another cooking video. Remember, subscribe to my channel. I can always use more subscribers. Take care of yourself, each other. And remember the most important thing in life. Don't be a fucking asshole.